Guys, today we're going to be heading over to Home Depot, which is one of our contracts. We got a work order in because of a pine tree that fell down. It's about a 25 footer, so I went ahead and hooked up the dump trailer to the F350. We're heading over there now. We're going to cut it up, throw it in the dump trailer, and take it on over the river. Depot now. I'm not really sure where this pine tree is supposedly at, but I guess that's just something we're gonna have to find out. Alright, I'll get back with you guys when I find out where this thing is. I think we found the tree, but this is not nearly as big as I thought it was gonna be. I think my plan of attack here is just gonna be to cut this tree right down the middle. I'm gonna bring the loader over here, pick up one half, pick up the other half, and we're gonna put it in the dump trailer. This guy with the semi truck's gonna make this a little bit more difficult, but I mean, I might move the dump trailer over to this side and just kind of drive the loader, try to pick it up. I don't have any chains with me, but we'll see how it goes. That went a lot better than planned. So now that it's in the trailer, I think I'm just gonna cut off 2 different pieces from the top. It's not that much overhanging over this truck. But yeah, so I'll set you guys up. really slow it over, but it'll do. I don't gotta take it that far. But yeah, not too shabby. We got the pine tree all loaded. Put this trailer back down. We're gonna load a little bit of topsoil to put back in that hole. We'll be all set. Got all that stuff I gotta clean up yet, just that dirt and those branches. But all the dirt's leveled off, holes filled in. Just gotta plant some grass seed in the spring. We'll be all set.